Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fast your laptop speed in Windows 11. First you need to go to start menu, go to setting, then after go to Windows update and make sure you are running on latest update. If you pause the update, just resume it, or if there is a button called check for updates, just tap on it and it will be check the latest updates and your computer will be running smoothly. And second method is you have to restart your PC regularly. Don't run PC continuously for days without reboot. It will affect your computer performance. And the third method is disable the unnecessary startup programs. Right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, go to Startup tab. These are the applications are started with the startup your computer. So if you don't need any application when it is started, because it will take your RAM to start the application also. As an example, if you don't need iTunes helper, it is enabled right now and startup impact is high, just tap on disable. So it will be not affected to computer performance once it is when it is starting. And you can adjust the visual effect also. Go to search bar, search for adjust the visual type for adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Just tap on it. Now you need to select for adjust for the best performance in your visual effects. Just tap on it and tap on apply, then tap on OK. This will little bit reduce your visual effect, but it will be increase your performance of your computer. And then go to start menu, go to setting, under the system section, scroll down, go to power and battery and go to power mode option. Just tap on it. Make sure to select it as best performance. And if your computer is installed OneDrive, so the syncing of the OneDrive can slow down your PC. Go to your system tray, and if you see OneDrive icon in here, just right click on it and pause syncing option. Other than that, go to start menu, go to setting, under the system section, scroll down and go to storage. Make sure to turn on storage sense and scroll down and go to cleanup recommendations. You can see these are the recommended cleaning things in this computer. You can select all the unnecessary things and just tap on clean up those things. I have around 3 gigabytes of the junk files. Just tap on it, then it will be completely removed from your computer. And if you have USB drive, you can use that for ready boost to increase your computer if you have slow hard drives. To do that, first you need to insert the USB drive into your computer. This is my USB drive. Right click on it, go to properties, and there is an option called ready boost. So once you are getting there, you will be able to find the button called use ready boost kind of things. In this device I can't use ready boost because I have SSD installed, so it can't increase the speed more than the USB speed, so I can't use that one. So finally you can enable the game mode. Go to start menu, go to setting again, go to gaming section and go to game mode. Make sure to turn it on. So these are the methods you can try to increase your speed. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.